So guys, first click to start, type services.msc. Okay, just services, right click to run as administrator. Select any and press as printers plural. You can see this. Open this. If you have disable and manual, select automatic, apply and OK, and then click to restart and then closed. Then guys, run printer troubleshooter. So click to start, go to setting, then click to system, scroll down, troubleshoot, other troubleshoot, then click to printer. This is okay. Wait few seconds, it will detect your issues and you show. Okay, and next restart your printer, and then next I will give you some command. So guys, first method, click to start, type cmd and right click to run as administrator, then click to yes, then some command. So that is four command. First one, sfc space slash scan now, then hit enter. Wait few seconds, it will complete 100%, then type next command, which is second number. So you can enter also, you can copy paste. Okay, do not type so long of the command. So it will complete, then copy second one and then just right click it. Okay, when you, okay, then third one. And guys, last, same as it is. Okay, when it is completed, this four command properly one by one enter, and that's command I will give you in the video description, so you can easily copy and paste from descriptions. then it will done, then try to follow next method. Okay, otherwise you can restart also. Okay, thank you.